Painting the ceiling gives any room a quick refresh. Here are all the steps it takes to make painting your ceiling a breeze. Here's what you'll need. Every home improvement project starts with prepping the space. First, cover or remove your furniture to prevent paint damage. Disconnect any ceiling fixtures and remove HVAC registers. Check the ceiling for cracks and holes. Repair with spackle and a putty knife. And remember, paint won't stick to a dusty ceiling. Use a damp towel or sponge to wipe it clean. Drop cloths are the best way to protect your floors. Canvas drop cloths are reusable and the most durable. Plastic drop cloths are less expensive, but not absorbent, so you risk tracking paint. Be sure to overlap your drop cloths by 12 inches to ensure full coverage. Tape them to the baseboards with painter's tape to hold them in place. Painter's tape is key to keeping your ceiling lines straight. Run your tape along the top of the walls, right at the ceiling seam. If you have crown molding, stick the tape right over the molding. The best kind of primer for ceilings is latex. Applying primer with a paint roller will create a clean base. Let the primer dry completely. Now, it's time to paint. First, use a thick paintbrush to cut the corners. Paint the edges where the ceiling meets the wall to ensure full coverage. The best technique for painting a ceiling is with a paint roller and extension pole. For smooth ceilings, use a low nap roller. For a textured ceiling, use a roller with a 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch nap. Keep a paint tray close to continually load the roller and keep it wet. Start in the ceiling corner where your cut corner line is still wet and roll in overlapping strokes. Work in grid-like sections of 3 to 5 square feet. This helps to keep your edges wet and create an even coat. Make sure to vary your strokes in a series of V or W-shaped patterns until covered to avoid overlapping marks. Continue rolling out and blending sections until the entire ceiling is complete. If your original ceiling color is dark, you may need a second coat. Apply the second coat in one direction, painting quickly until the entire surface is completely covered. After you're finished, clean paint rollers, brushes, and paint trays with soap and warm water until they rinse clean. Set them out to air dry. For any leftover paint, make sure the can is tightly sealed to save for touch-ups. Once the paint has dried completely, remove the painter's tape. Reattach any ceiling fixtures or HVAC registers and uncover your furniture. Most importantly, enjoy your freshly painted ceiling and newly polished room. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.